It's like sturdy, but I know it's gonna take up a lot of space. Ooh.
You'll see after I'll do that. Look, boy, fun favorite ship for Royal Caribbean. We've only done 3.
Good evening, good morning, whatever. Just trying to figure out all of my new devices and everything and how they look, like, and what lighting is good. Like, maybe I just don't like the way I look, and I hope you can hear me too. I don't know. We'll see. But I was just about to open my new computer, so I wanted to open it with you, me and Polly. But I got the new MacBook Air. I paid for this cash. I just went into Best Buy and got it because I felt like I needed more space to creatively express everything more than just in my iPhone or just in my tablet. So yeah, I made a good investment. I'm super excited. I think I caught it like on a tax day. Like it was like that free tax day to where I think I got like $80 off of it. So not much when you're paying like $900 for something, but anything helps. So I'm excited. So I figured that I unbox and open this with you since this has been looking at me for almost a month. I like really have not had time. So I had my shower and everything. I'm gonna go do my face routine, but I wanted to open this so that I can start loading my videos. I've got so many videos from like probably a couple years, like consistently, and because I haven't had the right equipment, I haven't wanted to post. So now, about $2,500 later, there you have it. Now we have content, and we will have content because I have to pay myself back in some way. So it's a nice hefty box. I really love it. I don't have a case for this because of course now you have to buy cases separately and all that other stuff for your laptops and whatnot. And I do plan on traveling with all of my electronics. So for now, I will be using this box because it's like sturdy, but I know it's gonna take up a lot of space. Ooh, look. So cute. It's rose gold. I love it. Now let's see how deep it is. Okay, maybe I need to take it out this way. Okay. Immediately, I've got a nice long charger. I've gotten the nice battery pack. So I'm really excited about this. What's in here? It's just instructions. Cool. So let's take off the top. Brand new for me. I thought about getting ooh, look at that. I thought about getting a used one for like a couple $100 difference. So that's why I went ahead and just got a brand new baby because I feel like I'm going to use it enough. And I just hope I don't scratch it up because it looks so good right now. Look at that. So nice. So clear. Wow. Oh well. You saw it first. I wouldn't say that I'm hard on things, but I'm not the softest when it comes to gadgets and things. So I am going to open this. Let's see if I can Okay, I am going to open this right here. Whoa. Did you hear that? I'm gonna see if it can do it again, but maybe not. Yeah, that was a one time only. So I'm so glad that y'all were here to witness that. How awesome.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
They just know so much. I wonder if it's touchscreen. Probably not. And I got half of a battery, so guess what? We about to load some videos and do some content tonight. Because I am that geeked to get myself out there.
Mac OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to escape key.
I'm gonna figure this out. So excited for my new MacBook Air, which is I forget how much, but it's probably like a couple $100 cheaper than the MacBook Pro. And now with the update, they do the exact same thing. Just want you to know. So go ahead and save you a couple $100. Get the MacBook Air. It's the exact same thing, except it's just a little lighter, which is great. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing of my new gadget, and you will be seeing more of it soon. Thank you. Good night.